Hi, I'm Adam, and I just got done skiing the brand new Blizzard Thunderbird Sport 7.7. Awesome ski for that creeping on intermediate level skier or an athletic beginner. It's very lightweight, it's easy to ski. If you're one of those guys who's new to skiing and you're learning how to carve, or you've seen someone just ripping some turns down the front side, this is a ski that will help you get there. It's very light, it's very nimble, it's very forgiving, but you also get a very solid edge hold and you get a lot of confidence with this ski. As you pick up speed, the ski's gonna stay with you. But once you start to get into more of that advanced level, this ski will not be the right option for you, but it will help you get there very, very quickly. It's quick, it's edgy, it's maneuverable. If you're snow plowing, it's definitely forgiving for that. But it's really just gonna help you start to link turns and get up an edge quick.